How to go from very, very flat, straight hair to fluffy hair. That's what we're talking about today. And I know a lot of viewers are obsessed with having fluffy hair, or I'm still trying to figure out what that means, but fluffy, I think of volume. Sometimes fluffy, I just think frizzy and a big mess and it's just all over the place. But if you're looking to get, fluffy hair from very, very flat hair, it comes down to a few things. And first of all, let's talk about the haircut. So if you have a haircut that literally this length on the top of your head comes all the way down to the very, very front, there's no layers whatsoever, you've got super thick hair, a ton of hair, it's super heavy, it's pin straight, you're gonna have a few challenges. You need to have some sort of layers in your hair in order for the fluffiness or the volume to actually build upon itself, or else your hair is just going to lay flat and it's going to end up looking like this all the time, no matter what you do. Now, once you have the right haircut, which all depends on you, it's a whole other thing. Typically for fluffy type hair, you're going to have some sort of hair length to it. So I would say have your hair maybe to like the bridge of your nose, just past your eyes. It really depends on how you're wearing it, but you need to have some hair length on top. That really depends on you and what style that you want. All right, next up is the product. So you wanna maybe use my volume shampoo and conditioner, which is sold at shop.thesalonguy.com. And if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off, which is great. So it starts with the shampoo, then the products. You wanna start building that volume or that fluffiness into your style as soon as you possibly can. So my product of choice for getting fluffy hair would definitely have to be Tidal Wave. Tidal Wave has become my #1 selling product, and basically, again, it's ideal because it's gonna help build in that volume. So this mannequin head has dry hair, but it just goes to show you this product works great on dry hair or even damp hair. The one thing that happens though is sometimes if you're not using this properly, you may not get the results you're looking for, or you think it's gonna do something different and it's not. So, you can't just spray this in your hair and all of a sudden magically you're gonna have like 8 times as much hair. You have to put the styling technique into it. A lot of times, I hate to say, it's user error when you're not getting the results. Because I, as a hairstylist for over 30 years, helped create this product, tested it out, all the research, everything that I put all my expertise into this, numerous reformulations to get this right to my liking as a hairstylist who's worked on I've worked on thousands of clients. So I know what I'm looking for in a product. So let's just, I like to give it a little bit of a shake. And if you're looking for fluffiness, you have to start with the root area and the exterior. So what you want to do is one spray, there we go, right on the bottom, and then I would say 1, 2, 3 spritzes, and that's it. You don't need to go crazy with this, okay? That's all. If you're gonna sit there and spray 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 sprays in your hair, then it's gonna be a bit too much. This product, what's great is you don't need a ton of it. Now, how do we go from it being from super, super flat to this? Now you could see already, just because of the texture and the haircut, we're already getting that fluffy type of look. But now let's take this one step further and we're going to blow dry this. So, what I would suggest doing is getting this round brush. This is what I call the TikToker 2-inch round brush. Again, available at shop.thesalonguy.com. There's my logo right there, so you know it's mine. This is a custom created brush that I invested in the technology to have this ceramic and ionic technology in this brush, so it helps prevent heat damage on your hair. You're gonna get faster drying times and smoother hair while you're blow drying it. Also, it's got a good grip that you can hold on to. Here's my blow dryer. This has ionic technology, again, that I invested in for this dryer. And what I'm going to do is actually blow dry this in a way that's gonna help create that full or voluminous type of look. So instead of blow drying the hair downwards this way, you wanna create volume. So we're gonna blow dry it and we're gonna go back this way, all right? So let's just do a section right into here. So what I like to do is I like to wrap the hair around once, and then I let it sit like this for a couple of seconds. And remember, we're looking to get volume in the root area. So there's the root area right there. So let's create that volume. All right. As you saw, a lot of the technique I did is I actually took the brush and created a curve like this to really lock in and get that volume throughout the base here. So let's see what we got here. This was done on dry hair, done in literally 20 seconds or so. And let's see what we got. So now we've got the support on the bottom, right? We've got the support throughout the bottom here. I created that lift and that texture right here on the base, as well as throughout the entire kind of perimeter right into here. And as you can see, there it is. I mean, if this isn't fluffy, if this isn't full of volume, I don't know what is, but now it's just a matter of potentially just locking the style in with my product locked, all right? But all you need to do also, if you want to extend that fluffiness even more, is just go nuts, and there you go. All because we created that lift and that volume right there on the base, which is where you need it, and then I extended that into the sides, the corners, and throughout the back here. But that's what you need. You need the right product, you need the right styling tools, and you also need to be able to have the right haircut. That's pretty much it. As you can see, a lot of it's technique based. I really highly suggest checking out my products. Again, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20, which is a code here on YouTube, at shop.thesalonguy.com. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.